Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting. In this video guys, we will talk about guys how can we unpair this Bluetooth speaker to our Tecno phone. Guys, you have paired guys this Bluetooth speaker to your Tecno phone, and guys you want to unpair now. So guys you can unpair, and guys now let's see how to unpair it. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you're watching a video first time, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video. Friends, first of all come in your phone setting to unpair it, and guys scroll, and guys you can see your more connection settings. So guys tap here, guys click on your Bluetooth setting. So guys you can see we have paired this JBL Go speaker, and guys we want to unpair. So guys you can see the setting icon, tap here the right side, and guys you can see your forget option means unpair. So guys tap here, then guys it will unpair to your phone, and we will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth speaker to our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.